Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It all belongs to you now. This is that show you know them better, where we bring the stars of Giyani of blood to talk to you, to give you all the answers that you guys ask, to make sure that everything is in order. We love you guys, but before we go any further, I just want to say, guys, thank you for every little thing that you guys have done for this particular channel. It's growing, it's doing well, you're liking it, you're subscribing. We're not going for that 10,000. So let's go for that 10 grand. But thank you for all in all. Now, you ask the questions. The guy is here, the man is here to come and give us those particular questions. Who are we talking about? You know, Magwenya, the man who is the Kamba, the man who is Muyibi, all the stuff that you guys want to talk about. But then, let me waste your time. This is not the better season 1. We love you. We appreciate you. There's my Gonsi. There's my Magwenya. There's that guy. What's here? Thank you. We'll keep on doing it. We've got like 8 more actors coming. We've got a new one now, in Giyani. I'm sure you guys have seen it. I'm sure very soon we'll be asking you guys to ask a question. Anyway, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't liked, haven't commented, please do. We've got our guy here, Magwenya. You've just asked your questions to people that know him better. And he knows, by the way, brother, we've got rules here. Well, we kind of broke this rule last week when we did Yamani Ebony, because you could choose to answer what you wanted to ask, but anyway, you answered first all the questions. Here, you answer the questions honestly. We know that you have not read all the questions. Yeah. We know that you wanted to trick us and go to the thing and read some of the questions, and you broke the rules. You shouldn't have done that. Yeah. These questions are ambush questions. Okay. You're supposed to answer all the questions, bro. Yeah. Do you give...
Yeah, I'll try my best.
No, not try. You need to answer all the questions. You need to answer all the questions. So let's go.
Yeah, Kamkhelo Rai.
Yeah. Okay. So Kamkhelo. How does it feel playing such a character? Why are you looking at my questions? I'll ask the questions. Stop it. This one.
But you were showing me the name.
I'm showing the name, yes.
How sure am I that you even reading the right questions when you couldn't read Urai?
Now, this guy just comes to our show. He wants to take over our show. Just because he thinks he's Magwenya, and then, listen, Magwenya, I don't want to give out the storyline. Anyway, Uri, how does it feel playing such a character, and what are his inspirations in life?
Playing Carlson Magonzi Baloyi, aka Magwenya. To be honest, but I don't know, but I like the character very much.
You do?
I like the character because it's way out of my comfort zone. That's not anywhere close to who Tepang is. Yeah? We are very much far apart, me and Magwenya. But I love it because it's challenging. You know, you think of going to work and say, hey, I don't know, how am I going to do it today? But that's your character.
But here's what I like, though, because when we all started, this journey was not supposed to get where it is now.
Yes.
It was actually a very minimal road.
Very short, man.
It was supposed to be done. We shot in Giyani. You're supposed to be done.
Done.
But clearly you did something that... So what inspired you to actually come to a point where we are now and cracking it the way you're cracking it? Because I love it.
I think it all goes down to passion. Mm-hmm. If you're passionate about something, you do your best to get where you want to get to with that particular thing. Mm-hmm. So for me, I love acting, and in fact the media space. So I said whatever opportunity that comes my way, I'll grab it and make sure that I run with it. So I guess it pays off. It's paid off with Magwenya character, because this boy was supposed to have died long time ago in the bushes. Well, you brought us to Risinga just to do that job.
Not me.
Bukosi brought us to Risinga just to do that job, and it was done right there and then.
So let's go on. Kuna Fulani division. Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, Fulani Uri, it's not a question for him. I don't have a question for you, my brother, but I can say without a doubt, you are killing it. Wow. A lunatic man.
Wow.
A linguistic man. Giyani of blood, more and more fun each day. That's love.
The love.
We need that. Thank you. Forget Chahuke.
Yeah.
What were you like in high school?
High school was
you know answer the question. What is this? How were you like in high school?
I was like two. I was 2 in 1 in a way. I was this quiet guy all at the same time. Mm-hmm. You'd look at me, you're like, it's not him. He didn't do that.
Where was your high school? Where do you attend high school?
Chikutura Secondary School, Chiamashamba Mkunde. Yeah. In Venda.
In Venda, of course. So your whole high school career and primary were there?
Yes. I was born, bred, Hanenge from primary up until high school.
Okay. So but you were 2 in 1.
I was just this guy.
As he claims.
He's naughty. He's cool.
As he claims. Because he was 2 in 1. I didn't tell you. Anyway, kuna faith matebula uri ye gwinyas. You married?
Not at all. I'm not married. I possess an MBA.
What is MBA now? What is MBA?
No, I'm kidding. I'm not married.
What is an MBA?
Let's not talk about MBA. I'm not married.
Bona.
And even if I was married, I would be in the position of an MBA, which is married but available.
Now, when you're coming here, you're calling your girlfriend and you're saying all this and that, you're saying, no, please, baby, I will meet you at Villa Casa Street. What is married but available?
Married but available is,
available to who? You see, already we are South African men, we have a bad reputation because of funny things like you're doing now.
It's not funny.
How? You are giving us a bad rep.
Oh, it's polygamy a crime or is it illegally?
No. If you are doing it in a polygamous way, hey man, I'm not gonna say no.
I'm not selfish. Unlike some of us, or I'm unlike
me.
Let's just not go there.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You are captured, Magwini.
Yeah.
You are captured. So I go, one, where are you from? Of course, you're gonna ask this again because you speak Xitsonga and Kilobedi so well.
Yeah.
That's the first question.
No, Giaba. Wabagita by Ormutu, Wagituda, and I'm my So, Maka Takatle Kore, Lokuma Limpopo, Tandaka Balabula, Marimin Kwaya Limpopo, Amina Untisatinga. Serious. I need to see why. Because we are neighbors. Lanuma Kona, Batonga Bakona, Bulobedi Bako. So Makamina Kore, Labai, I took every opportunity. Look, I would try my best to make sure that I learn their language.
So basically, in a nutshell, that if you're from Limpopo, it doesn't make sense for you to know one language. And I've met a lot of people from Limpopo who only speak Chivenda, Xitsonga, or Kilobedi, or Sipedi. It doesn't, and I agree with you.
It doesn't. It
makes
me angry.
It makes
if you
sense.
Can't speak Xitsonga, Kilobedi, and Chivenda, if you're from Limpopo, take it from today. Go and learn those languages. They are your languages.
So, of course, you've mentioned where you're from. Also Butsepi. Anyway, did you do any acting or film related course, or you are just killing this acting thing naturally? This is viewers were not ready for you, bruh. They were not ready for this guy.
That's a compliment.
Of course, but did you do any acting? Did you learn?
Not at all. It's just me walking around, and I didn't learn it from school. It's just me being passionate about it. Yes.
So, but then how did you?
I didn't learn about it.
The auditions, well, tell us about the auditions, because I saw you at the auditions.
Yes, I remember seeing you there.
But what happened? How did you know about the auditions?
Through an agent. I am under an agent called Star Quality. Yes, Star Quality, big up to them. They're doing a great job. Yes, they hooked me up.
So you got the outro. I remember you outro guy.
Unshook guy.
Guys, he was so nervous. It's not funny. I'm like, look at this one. Why is he nervous?
It's not easy. You know, when you want something, you're bound to have butterflies in your stomach. Because you don't know. It could be your last opportunity. True. So you want to kill it.
But for me, you know what's even the best thing? The fact that how they took the Magwinya character and literally gave it almost 104 episodes. Because that's a lot of episodes that you got. And what your storyline, what it did. And the pity we can't reveal much because he has major plot points coming, like crazy plot points. Because see, the guy has got Richard and Wukosi by the I won't mention what is, but you know, because he's got them. If he can spill on one of them, Yeah, well, yeah. I mean, reporting a success. I'll lay shout out, you know. My first asking question here. It's the first time asking questions on this platform. Just hope my questions will be asked. You see now, Reboningo, of course we won't close you out. You know, for hand, we will ask a question. And of course there are a lot of people who ask questions that sometimes we don't ask. It's not because we don't want you guys. It's just because some of your questions are similar with another question that was asked. So therefore we find ourselves choosing one of those.
I repeat.
Yes. Type of thing. So because
maybe you know what you should do. If you see it a repeater, at least
put a shout out.
Yes, say shout out to man. Yes, that's what you must do.
With Lavani, that's what we're discussing. You're gonna.
Yeah.
From now on, we just need to put shout out for it because
I appreciate
they're complaining.
I appreciate
that. Complaining. My question was not asked. From now on, guys, we'll give you shout outs. If you didn't ask a question, we'll say shout out like we're doing a Of course, your questions were similar. Mara, how did you make his way to acting? And is this his first time doing acting? You answered it, but kind of highlight it.
Who's that? Rivoningo. Yeah, much marathon. Rivoningo. It's not my first. I've been appearing on a couple of shows. I've been on Isitembiso.
Okay.
I've been on Imposter, but there's a body double there. I've been on Mobango. And now it's Giyani. My big guest is Giyani. I also have a show on SABC2, by the way, called Nhlala. I've been doing it since some years back. Yes.
Body double. What is a body double?
A body double, it's when you are. Let's say it happens when they acting twins.
Yes.
When there's twins in a play. Yes. I was his body double.
Okay.
So what happens is I'm there to actually give him the eye line
for his twin.
Yes, for the twin eye line and the lines. We feed each other with lines. So the only time you see me is when we're having like conversation together, but you'll see me the back side of me. You won't see the face. Just to give him the eye line.
So fine. After they shot you, they will come and shoot him this way.
Yes, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Of work.
I don't want to play a twin, bro.
No, you don't want to do that. It's a lot of work. But it comes with.
I was about to say, so you are getting a good call, man, because if you're a body double for a lead.
No, it's a good call. Eh?
It's a good call. Like if you,
I wouldn't have done it. It was not. It's a good call.
If you want me to play a body double, make me Will Smith's body double, Denzel's body double.
Yeah.
Then we're talking. Unless I do no one's body double. No one. If I attack, what is your mother tongue? Since I heard him speaking various languages on screen in Giyani Blood. So what is your mother tongue?
Lelimi la umma le baba ngisizweda. Chivenda. Yeah.
Okay, udele zweda, gini zweda.
Sizweda. Kizweda. Yeah.
Gini nje.
Kizweda gini Chivenda.
Explain. Let me not.
Hinkwavo vatswari va mina hi Vavenda hinkwavo.
Okay.
Kwava Mutsonga akaya, kwava Mubedi akaya.
Okay. So basically in your family
we have
vendors in every corner.
Yes.
Okay, so that's your mother tongue.
That's my mother tongue.
Okay, go. So you know, like some of us who are African Union, because we are mixed with all these things that are happening.
I'm not mixed. Ngachivenda vinu mbukala ivela ivanenda sala. Kana ke Mutsweda muabiwa lifiga la bugwa nakasala. Or mina mvesha amsekona ridi. Rivimba ridi. Mina nsalandeni. Sula kuri twi.
No silence Percy. Now this is a shout out from Percy. He shout out, right? So Magwinya, we're not saying
okay. Let me read it. Magwinya. Ikokwalo ka yini loko ivalavula na mandaina. Ivalavula na vona ikilobedu. Nakona ixidyondze kwini xilobedu.
Okay, it's a shout out. If you answer the question, we'll move on. Show silence.
But appreciate my flow in Xitsonga.
Hey man, the people already have said you are flirting all the languages. So you even want me to come and tell you that you are good. So, how this one? You want to hijack my show for his own purposes here? Wait, how? This show belongs to me, Noel Lavani. What am I saying?
Anyway, get that.
Kuna amkelani maluleki, inok maluleki.
Yeah.
Eka Tepang.
Yeah.
How do you feel playing a role of Magwinya, a thug?
Yeah.
Nakona Tepang na Magwinya. What is Bam, Baloyi. What is the difference between the two guys?
Guys, I'm a humble person. Utsepang is a very humble person. And Labete answer by two. No ways.
What is answer by two?
Answer by two, it's answer.
Oh, answer by two. I thought you said answer by two.
No, and Labete
answer by two.
Utsepang I moon what answer by two. Imun was straight also some mampela. Magwinya ko ba kamba rako hetela rarsing. So I fun.
So you're a nice guy.
I'm a nice guy. I'm a very nice guy. Very humble.
Okay. Another shout out.
Bula Makandani Roswi. Roswi baka Baloyi tikalang.
So he shout out because like we said, like we know that you guys ask questions, but those questions that are similar, they talk by shout out.
Yeah.
It's a shout out to
Show Rosie.
So anyway, Nsobo Tima Tebula. Or Magwinya he's loving your evolution. I love it too because you came out as a small tsotsi. Next thing, beginning of tsotsi, you reveal that he's a guy. Jiggy. Confidence. You're gonna ask out a very beautiful girl. Tell us about that. How's Magwinya's confidence? I mean, to go ask out a beautiful girl like that, a new girl in town.
I don't know how.
Is it him or the man making him to be?
I don't know how to put this in a nice way. Or how can I find a very diplomatic way of saying it? Women and money. I don't want to say it now because of the situations we are in the country. But you know the saying. And then yes, no. To a guy with money, it's a confidence booster. You have money, you can buy everything. So this other guy said, "Look, abaku mali ikona liansalit over baku tinkau tinamali." What's that tinkau? What was Giyani?
Guys, I think. You see, we need to call this on the order. I think. I'm sorry. My fellow women, on behalf of Know Them Better, we don't know this guy. He's in his own league. For that particular section, we don't know him.
No, it's not him. Magwinya. Are we talking about Magwinya here?
Oh, it's Magwinya.
Yes,
okay. It's Magwinya.
For Magwinya, in his mind is if Mali ayakumeka tinkawa terna Mali.
So then Magwinya is not a nice person then. Of course
Magwinya is not nice. He's not nice.
It's a murderer. No, I guess. So I thought what Magwinya.
So you picky. Magwinya.
Yeah, which role are you scared of trying? But would you love to try any role as an actor?
Yeah, any role. I think I would love to try it. Anything that is throwing me off my comfort zone. But I think I'll do more with something more similar to who I am.
But then, what role are you scared of playing? Like, because me, I know there are roles that I wouldn't say roles, but parts that I would not be comfortable playing.
You know which one I won't play? The Chauke one.
The dying one. Why?
Because you guys you murdered the guy.
Come on, no, but he was saving the story. He was coming to save the story, and it was this one. This one. I'm ahead.
Or would you do that?
Yes, but not now in my career.
Okay, no, we get the answer. It's fine. Let's move on. Moving right along.
But not now in my career.
Okay, why?
No, I can't because recently there was an audition for a film, and in the film, the character that I was supposed to audition for dies. But when I read the brief, it said he was a psychopath and he was a rapist, and he didn't have much dialogue. And I'm like, no, I can't play for that. And
that would suit you, man.
But that's not the point. Guess who? And he was gonna be killed by the leading guy. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna be the sacrificial lamb to make the leading guy look good. And also, if the guy is a psychopath and is a rapist and he doesn't talk much,
which is what Chauke did to you.
No, but
do you remember? Let me tell you. Do you remember when? Do you remember Shawab?
No, but look at Chauke. Look at Chauke. Chauke was a catalyst.
Yeah.
He was not a sacrificial lamb. In a bigger picture of the story, yes, he became a sacrificial lamb.
Yeah.
But in terms of being the catalyst, because look, even till now,
yeah, he's still there.
He's still there in the story. In fact, his impact. There's a storyline coming up hopefully I'm not giving away the story, but that we will still gonna feel his impact. So he was a good catalyst.
No.
So yeah.
I would say maybe his death gave way to or brought some people that are coming.
Yes.
We don't know those people.
Give us 5 top films, 5 top series that you like or inspired you and why. Just quick one. Just quick.
Films. Tsotsi.
Yeah, good one.
Because it's South African and it was good.
Okay.
You can't deny that. And what's that other one? iRobot.
Okay.
Will Smith.
Okay.
And again, The Pursuit of Happiness. I love it.
£7?
No.
£7, guys. It tearjerked me.
But this is me, not you.
No, I know.
Can you stop imposing?
I'm not
No
imposing.
£7 here. We're
imposing.
talking about me.
It's chicken. It's not that he doesn't watch my series. He just watched only 3 movies.
Yeah.
So.
I recently watched Back of the Moon, and I loved it. Nice.
You love it?
Yes, and I'm yet to go watch The Day I Lost Ilerato. I'm going to watch that.
Look, all these African ones, I'm definitely watching them.
Yeah.
Yes,
I do that.
That's the point. Even Zila Films say, Brafman, I just want to ask Magwinya that apart from acting, what else does he do?
Magwinya,
Hello.
I've got a lot of things that I'm involved in production-wise. I develop contents for ads. There is this thing that we're starting with this guy called Sipondlovu. I'm writing a whole lot of stories.
Okay.
A whole lot of them. So hopefully one day I'll crack it and then you see my own productions.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing.
Excellent Bila Moyo. Again, shout out. Shout out. There we go.
The drama tingaki anga actor usungule rini naswona yini xi nga va na influence ku ri a hetelela a nghenelele ka ku actor.
That question was answered, Bila. Shout out. You really bought the shout out. So I was the time.
Sure, Mr. Bila.
So Yabdina.
Yeah.
In Sobo Uri Magwinya. Imani and Wakaman.
No, but I did say it. Magwinya is Tsepang Jasper Silapiana. Hey, that's her name, I'm telling you. I mean, there's no clear answer, but I've sought information around it, and I'm not winning. And it's even funny because my dad's father, his son name is Mudau, which makes me a Mudau. But somewhere along the way, I don't know which name or whose name is it, but I understand it's one of the family members' name, Silapian, and then they took it.
I see.
So, but kahle ni mvenda. Venda ve.
Tree.
Asarobi. Okay. So zamadzina na mini utoba rindila Africa Chipembe. I mean, freedom to any name.
Of course.
So, yeah, that's it.
Loribo.
Sir.
Love too much. This is not the better. You know what time it is. You look, we are now at Villa at the street shooting this man. Yeah. We had to come to this particular place and just to give some commemoration to the lovely South Africa that we have here, the lovely country that we have that is beautiful, that we will always love, that we say, yay. But guess what? Subscribe, like, comment. Know them better, brought to you by what? Nyeleti, Shitsonga and Math Institution. That's what we do. If you want your kids to learn Shitsonga, you know where to go. Call us, email us, send in WhatsApp, whatever that you're going to do. But Lavani, we thank you, my dear. Noel, we thank you, my brother, for putting all this stuff together. What can we do? We say bye-bye, subscribe. We will see you when we see you for the next episode. Know them better season 1. Tata.
Signing out.